Hi, good day, sir and madam. My name is Jessa S. Martinez, 34 years old, married. I studied Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Physical Science. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and open minded. A first timer abroad house helper applicant. My previous job was a local house helper for 6 months, wherein I do the laundry, house cleaning, pet caring, marketing, and taking care of the elderly. In addition, I've also worked as a nanny to 3 and 8-year-old kids for 2 years here in the Philippines. I am also into cooking and gardening and would love to teach or tutor your kids. I am pleased to be one of your applicant and would cherish to work with your family if you will give me a chance. I promise to finish my contract and do my very best for your family and mine as well. That would be all. Good day once again, sir and madam, and thank you.